my name is Amanda Kay, Regional Trainer with PRAVANA, and I am so excited to be here today with you guys to show you how to rock your Gemini locks with our split dye technique. We are first going to section the hair in our 4 PRAVANA zones, making sure that the first one is slightly in front of the ear so that we create that first color blocking section. And then we are going to make a parting just around the occipital bone or the nape of her neck for that second color blocking section. We are going to start this with our platinum card technique. So I am going to be applying lightener in slices and encapsulating it in foils all the way up the head in each of those sections. And then going back through and reapplying my lightener to her root area so that everything is going to lift evenly while it is processing, and we don't have to worry about the roots processing faster than her midds and ends. We are then going to go through and apply our HydraGloss formula last, and this is going to go in all the hair that is not in our platinum card techniques. So we are going to utilize our 4 GBV and our 6 GBV and apply that from roots to ends. I love using HydraGloss when I can. It is a very shiny, very moisturizing semi-permanent color line, and when you are not lifting, you don't necessarily always need to go straight for a permanent, right? Once she is all washed, dried, and ready to go, we are going to go ahead and apply our Vivids formula where we went ahead and lifted. So our Vivids formula is going to utilize sunstone and pink to create this beautiful corally color. She has beautiful curls, but we wanted to smooth her out a little bit for this. So I used a 2-inch round brush and really smoothed out her hair utilizing that round brush. And I went for a bigger one just to help me pull those curls out a little bit more. The bigger the round brush, the more straight you're gonna get, and the smaller the round brush, the more little bit of curl you are going to get out of that hair. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun and you are going to utilize this look behind the chair. Don't forget, if you want more videos like this, to go to pravana.com and follow me at amandakay.hair. Thanks.